Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Liver tumors and their common diseases. So we're looking at some very important points. So what is the first most common tumor, which is overall? So overall, the most common tumor, it is nothing but the metastatic tumor. It is the metastatic tumor. Next is, the question is, the most common primary benign tumor. Most common primary benign tumor. This is nothing but the cavernous hemangioma. So most common primary benign tumor is going to be cavernous hemangioma. The most common primary malignant. So most common primary malignant tumor. This will be the hepatocellular carcinoma. So benign is cavernous and the malignant tumor is nothing but the hepatocellular carcinoma. Hepatocellular carcinoma. Next is we look at the most common primary malignant tumor. The most common primary malignant liver tumor. So now we are focusing on the most common primary malignant liver tumor, and this is of the early childhood. This is of the early childhood. So it is the early childhood. It is the hepatoblastoma. It is a hepatoblastoma. Next is the most common tumor associated with the arsenic. The most common tumor, and this is associated with the arsenic or the vinyl chloride. So in terms of arsenic and the vinyl chloride. Next is, this is nothing but the angiosarcoma. Next is the most common tumor. The most common tumor associated with the oral contraceptive. So earlier we saw the most common tumor, which is associated with the arsenic and the vinyl chloride. It is nothing but the angiosarcoma. Next is the most common tumor associated with the oral contraceptives. So most common associated with the oral contraceptives is going to be the hepatic adenoma. So it is nothing but the hepatic adenoma. Then comes the most common tumor rupture spontaneously causing the hemoperitoneum. So it is a most common tumor rupture. Most common tumor rupture. This is spontaneously causing hemoperitoneum. That is nothing but hepatic adenoma. It is hepatic adenoma. So the most common tumor rupture, which is spontaneous, is the hemoperitoneum, is the hepatic adenoma. Another thing in hepatic adenoma was for the oral contraceptives as well. In terms of arsenic and vinyl, it was angiosarcoma. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.